everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Vladimir here with an outstanding English play. We have decided to promote our students' channel with a number of cultural programs, a Western drama that was scripted by O. Henry in 1970. Dear viewer, this story was narrated in the period when there was no MP or camera. Shooted pictures, people were making their paintings for the memories of future. Our story has two main characters, Sue and Jancy. Both were from very poor family and lived in a remote village. They were facing a lot of challenges and determined to overcome the poverty. They shifted to town and became popular artists. Dear friends, the story is about the drastic challenges they faced and realized the value of merciness in life. I hope you would like it. If you like it, it's like TV. This is our first episode, and every alternative day we will upload next episode. Your support and encouragement help us to do more. So welcome to our first episode.
You just always been a tighter rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice.
Didi, are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
Please, Didi, tell me a story.
No, I am busy. I can't tell.
Didi, please, Didi.
Okay, let me think a story. Okay, I got a story. Sit down, I will tell you. In Greenwich village, there was two friends, Sue and Johnsy. They too were artists. One day, they went to town to earn money. They loved to do painting, but in November, a cold, unseen stranger visited there. That was pneumonia. Unfortunately, Sue was affected by that disease.
Oh, Didi, what is pneumonia?
A very dangerous disease, same like corona.
Corona?
Yes.
What happened?
Let's see what happened next.
So I have been noticed that you are looking out after me. What is here to see?
Nothing.
No, tell me. I had noticed several times.
I'm seeing those leaves. Some days before they were 100. It was very difficult for me to count them. But today they are just 20. It is very easy to count them. I believe that I will not live for many time. I don't know that tomorrow I will be able to see you or not.
What nonsense are you talking? Are you okay? I think that I must call doctor. Wait a minute, I will call her. How long have you been bed? Last 2-3 days.
Oh, this is a period of pneumonia. Let's start it. Give me my picture. Take this.
Is she okay?
Come to me, I will tell you. Please give me my papers. I will tell you all her conditions. That she is 90% about to die. Her friend man made her mind that she is not going to well. If she will lose her hopes, then my 50% of medicine will not work.
Oh, she will not going to well soon.
I am giving some medicines, then will she marry? Give these medicines to her morning and evening.
10, 9, where this sound is coming from? 8,
How long she is in bed?
from last 2-3 days.
Oh, this is period of pneumonia. Let's give
Now my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask why you like it. I know that you like it, yeah.
What are you counting?
I'm counting those balloons. You have seen now that in the morning they were 5:20, but now they are just 5. I'm just waiting when the last leaf will fall. I will get you.
I have never heard such a nonsense. And just then stop counting the leaves of the tree.